Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make eggs hatch faster in ARC settings. Increase incubation temperature to the ideal range for each species and monitor it frequently. Use egg hatch speed multipliers or the egg tick rate console to shorten incubation time while retaining safe conditions. Place eggs in a secure, enclosed space with stable temperature, humidity, and no predators to prevent setbacks and wasted resources. Maintain steady heat for consistent hatching results by checking temperatures often and avoiding abrupt changes. Use controlled heating sources like air conditioners, campfires, or electrical structures placed at safe distances to prevent overheating. Grouping eggs by species lets you set a single optimal temperature instead of juggling different needs. If using modifiers, adjust in small increments and observe the hatch rate to find the sweet spot for speed. On private servers or single player, modify egg hatch speed and dino character food drain to safely accelerate egg development and parental care needs. Make small, reversible changes and note original values so you can revert if problems arise. Use admin commands or server config files for precision, but always run a test hatch with one egg before mass changes. This prevents unexpected loss and helps balance speed with hatch success and game fairness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.